Okay, see? This guy here, he has positive on the outside, negative on the inside. If you look at this plug, it's positive on the inside, negative on the outside. On this plug. So, they have their own plugs. They did. Well, I'm over here getting the plugs, ignoring you guys. This is already set up for a battery. So you don't need that, excuse me, but look here. See, 2 plugs. I hope you guys can see this. Can you see this? Okay. 2 plugs. And they're both exactly backwards. Yes. See, this is what I had on here. And the new one is backwards. Okay. So, I have a wire for this. We might have to change this out. See, this one has audio left, audio right, video ground, and then 5-volt out. This one here has all that. And the video in. Yeah, see, isn't that weird? Where this has audio right, audio left, video, ground, and 5-volt. This plug here is completely different. This video. Wow. This sort of sucks. Look at how different these plugs are, you guys. Not really. Until it comes, the video's in the center, until it comes to positive and negative. The positive and negative on all of them are reversed. Isn't that weird, eh? So I have to take this whole harness apart for this new video system. Make sure that I don't short anything out. So, we'll have to start working on that. I gotta put this new plug on. The new harness. So, you know, even though the 5.8G systems are both 5.8 gigahertz systems, they sure aren't the same when it comes to the wiring. Completely different. So, let's beware of that. Because that make your life just difficult if you fry everything as soon as you plug it in. Oh boy. It's just something you don't want to do, you know. Just cut into wiring and harnesses. Why? Why can't all you guys in China all get together? You know? Have positive and negative in the same places. So that we don't have to go and redo entire wiring harnesses. This is just annoying. I have to take this all apart. Frustrations, eh? So there's my, wow. See the power. Okay. That's strange. I don't know why I have a plug here. I don't. And on the second one, I know I've used shrink tubing, but oh, isn't that strange? Isn't that strange? I don't have an idea. Oh, I know what that is. What? Oh, the red's just taped there. That's my mic, you guys. It's going to a green. And the positive, you see, because I don't use the hot line out, it's just sealed there. And then over here, I have my video signal, which must be a video in the ground. Well, I'm going to start cutting more of this part. I'm going to have lots more shrink tubing. Something I'm not short on. Oh, it tears easy. Oh, come on. Okay, well, let's take a closer examination of everything here. Power. Yes, we know that. Wow, we're on this. Power. Interesting. So I'm going to change that there. This is sort of my little camera coming in. This looks like it was audio. I'm hoping the red is my video signal. But I won't know until I get the shrink tubing off. And we see which wire is connected to the yellow here. Man, oh man. I think someone went overboard with shrink tubing. Okay? I do. There's too much of it on here. Oh well, okay. So, if I do know right here now, I see, I'm unstuck, that the red line. So, for my new plug, I know I have ground and video and sound. Okay? The reason we don't have the 5 volt out, I don't use because I'm using power from other places to power the equipment, so I don't have to run the power through the video transmitter. I want this just to send video, not manage my power system. So I have a managed, you might say, a managed power system over here, and we'll put power. That's what this one here is for. Power to that, and give it a video signal and sound, and that's all I want it to do. And then with this here hooked up to the battery, we bring power into everything else here. It looks like power in my boxes, power to my receiver is going to come now because I'm going to wire a UBEC in. Okay. The mic has power, if you see. Power comes into the mic from one of these lines, and the sound line comes out. We'll get this all straightened out, these wires. I'm not using this one, and this is the new one going in, so we're going to put a new power line in here for it, because its power is backwards, and then I've got to cut this out and put this new one in so that they match. There's the hole I plan to cut. Okay? Yes, and then this heat sink. I've cleared a little more of the shrink tube off it. And then it will stick out the side there. And that should give me adequate cooling for my 70 amp ESC. Okay, we'll get that hole cut. Get this ESC in there. And then start worrying about the rest of this electronics. All the wires. And help from the kitty cat. My helper in the hobby shop. What's Kalua say? Anything for a pet. Anything for a pet. Oh well. Back to the airplane. Yeah, I'll upload this stuff. And then the next video, make sure you subscribe so you can see how I cut the hole and we'll start mounting all this electronics.